नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Revati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject data warehousing and data mining. Now the topic of today's session is data reduction. Now in this lecture, I have covered these topics: what is data reduction, techniques of data reduction. There are basically three techniques of data reduction. First is data cube aggregation, second attribute subset selection, third is numerosity reduction. Now come to what is data reduction. Data reduction is the transformation. First of all, I would like to tell you, reduction means to reduce the dimensions, you can say, if we are talking about the data. Okay, so reduce some data which is not important for the purpose which we are doing. Okay, so here the data reduction terms arises. So it is a transformation of numerical or alphabetical data signals derived empirically or experimentally into a corrected, ordered and simplified form. The basic concept of reduction of multitudinous amounts of data down to the meaningful parts. That's why we reduce the things. Why we reduce the things? Just because we go through or we can understand better the things, right? So come to the techniques of data reduction. In this data reduction techniques, there are basically three techniques. First is data cube aggregation, second attribute selection, subset selection, third is numerosity reduction. Now come to the first technique, that is data cube aggregation. In data cube aggregation, aggregation operations are applied to the data in the construction of the data cube. Okay, so just for an example, in this figure, a data of all electronic sales per quarter is known. Okay, means here data of per quarter sales are shown here. The year 2002, year 2003 and year 2004, we have these 3 years data, right? Hence the data can be aggregated so that the resulting data summarize the total sales per year instead of per quarter. Okay, so if we give the report that if your manager asks the sales report of the year, so this is what this is fragmented in terms of quarters, but we want the report of yearly report, means not quarterly, so we have to merge this data. Okay, so you can say reduce that thing. So it will reduce and see this year 2002 this much sales happens, and 3 in this sales, and 2004 this much sales. Okay, so the resulting data set is similar in volume without loss of information required for the analysis task, right? So multidimensional aggregated information is stored in a database basically. Okay, now the second one is attribute subset selection. Attribute subset selection, it is a technique which reduces the size of the data set by eliminating irrelevant or redundant attributes or dimensions. This technique is basically used to find the minimum set of attributes, the resulting probability distribution of the data classes is as close as possible to the original distribution achieved by all attributes. It also facilitates to build the patterns easy to understand. Now comes to the third technique, that is numerosity reduction. In this numerosity reduction technique, this can be applied to, of course, to reduce the data volume by choosing alternative smaller forms of data representation, right? So this technique may be parametric or non-parametric. So for parametric methods, a model is used to estimate the data so that typically only the data parameters need to be stored. Okay, what? Only the data parameters need to be stored instead of the actual data. So log linear models which estimate discrete multidimensional probability distribution are the examples of parametric models, whereas non-parametric methods for storing reduced representation, okay, of the data include histograms, clustering and sampling. Now this is a question for the practice. What are data reduction strategies? Explain in brief. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.